Hey everyone, welcome back to Manny Maker. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to engrave wood using the Silhouette Cameo 4. Whether you're a complete beginner or just trying this out for the first time, don't worry, I'll guide you through every single step. And if you need one-on-one online support, please call us at the numbers displayed on the screen. Otherwise, let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Silhouette Studio software on your computer and make sure your Cameo 4 is connected. Now, create your design on Silhouette Studio. For this video, I'll use a simple circle. Remove whatever blade you currently have installed and insert the graving tool into Carriage 1. This is specifically designed for engraving. OK, now click on the Send tab on the upper right side of the screen. This is where we'll set up all our cutting, or in this case, engraving settings. In the Material drop-down menu, look for Wood and select it. Click on the More tab to access advanced settings, and your tool should be set to engraving. Force to around 15 to 80, speed to 5 or 6, and passes to 2 or 3, depending on how deep you want your engraving. Now, let's prep your wood. Make sure your wood surface is smooth and clean, no dust or debris. Alright, now go ahead and place your wood piece on the cutting mat. Before we move on, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss out on tips and tutorials like this. Place your wood piece directly onto a strong grip cutting mat and press it down firmly. You should secure it with tape because any movement during engraving will mess up your design. Load the mat into Cameo 4. Make sure it's loaded straight and properly aligned. Once everything is in place, go ahead and click Send to start engraving process. Now, just sit back and let the Cameo do its thing. After engraving is complete, carefully remove the wood piece from the mat. And finally, you've got yourself a beautiful wood engraving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.